Okay, so it's a new day. Yesterday we got the shape of the blade done, we got some of the edge done over here, and then it got late on us. So today we are going to, where's the wood? Do the handle, finish doing the blade over here, get all this done, sharpen it, and hopefully harden it. Okay, so I've just been sanding for a while now, and as you can see I have gotten this part of the blade pretty much almost along the line that I want it to be, and then still going to do this side. So as you can see the line is along here. I'm going to try to get all of this sanded up until there. Why don't you?
Yeah, Matthew just cut his finger.
Whoa.
Blood warning. Oh wait, why am I putting this thing?
Okay, so finished downstairs with the filing. As you can see, this is pretty much already filed on both sides up until the line that we showed you before. Now we're upstairs because our forge downstairs is not ready yet. It's still in the process of being made. So we're waiting on some charcoal to come. We're going to make a fire, wait for it to burn down a bit so we can harden the knife. And once the knife is, and then do the quenching and then do the hardening again. And once that's done, we can start on the wet sanding along here. Might as well also do the handle along here and then along here, and probably a bit of this. And then we can also do the sharpening, and then we'll start on that, putting the handle on. Okay, so now we have the blade attached to a metal rod, so we're going to burn ourselves while taking it out. We're going to get the coals ready, light the coals with the fire, wait for it to burn down, put the blade in, let it get red hot, and then quench it. And then we're probably going to run out of time today, so tomorrow we'll start the sanding again. Okay, so we light the fire now.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know.
Okay, so now we have the fire started. We've got a fan blowing it here, so lots of oxygen is needed. Once that is almost gone down, we're going to put the knife in, put it in here, let it sit until it's pretty much red hot. And we have a bucket of water here, and we dip it in slowly, take it out, and I have no idea what to do from there. Okay, so now our fire's pretty much done, so I'm going to put the cliff in.
Send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, honest to you, send me, honest to you, send me.
Alright, it's hot. We're going to take this out.
Oh my word.
Check for the magnetism. Nothing.
Okay, come.
So we just got done hardening the blade, or quenching the blade. It's got all the stuff on it now that we're going to grind off with the grinder, and then get this weld off as well. Okay, so we just got done with the first side. This is what it was looked like before. So it looks like after.
Ugh.
Now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so we just got finished done grinding away all the, what's it now? I don't know what it's called, the black stuff that comes when you harden it. And it's looking very shiny. I might as well, I'll probably go over it again a bit later or tomorrow again. Tomorrow I'm going to carry on with the filing over here. We'll do a bit more filing and then we're going to wet sand this whole part along, or just like this, and then maybe the handle. And tomorrow we'll also get on the handle.
Cool stuff.
Okay, so it's day 3 of our knife. Yesterday you saw us do the sort of hardening process, which kind of worked. We sanded it down with the grinder, and now it's pretty smooth. So today I'm going to carry on sanding over here, and we're also going to get the handles done. So first, I'm going to slice a bit off because they're quite thick.
As you're sanding the handle down, get it smooth-ish. Obviously get a higher grit as you go on. Okay, so right now Matthew is filing the handle of the blade and the black metal part together to get it nice and flush. And he's going to do the same with the other side once he's cut the other side, and then should be good. Glue it on, stick the poles through, sand it down. That's my watch. And then should be all good. So right now Matthew's sanding down the handle. It's going to take a while, so let's skip it.
Okay, so we just almost finished down with the handle. We just cut it and then sanded it down so it fits the contour of the blade. And it will come up as this. I've done both sides. I've put the pins through just so I know like general position of it, and then file it down so it's in line or flush with the blade over here. And then we're going to take the pins out, put some glue in the middle, stick them back in, and then continue on the wet sanding. We'll start with the wet sanding over here. Okay, I'm trying to get, for the epoxy, so when we do epoxy it, I'm trying to get this flat. So if you push it like that, it's not really flat over there. I'm trying to get this all smoothed out flat. And then the same for the other side. If it's not already flat. Okay, this side's alright. So this side's alright for the epoxy, it's just this side that I'm going to do. And then, yeah, we're going to epoxy it, and then we'll first like shape this so it looks nice. Epoxy it, let it dry, and then start with the wet sanding, or start with the wet sanding and then epoxy it.
Matthew is going to start the wet sanding of the blade now, and we're just gonna time lapse that because it's gonna take way too long to show. So let's get right into it. Matthew's busy eating his cake, and right now we've super glued these together so that we can get them both equal while we sand it far. Well, Matthew does it, and then he's gonna sand it nice and smooth, and should be looking good. Take it apart, stick it onto the blade, and then I think we just have to sharpen the blade and varnish the wood, and then we're all good.
Hopefully.
Okay, so Matthew's just been sanding these handles down and everything,
So
and
that
it's looking really good, but the left one is still thicker than the right one, or one is thicker than the other. And this is what the blade looks like so far. It's been wet sanded and everything. Still need to sharpen the blade. Then we're gonna put the wood on and then should be good, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah,
We'll catch you then.
yeah.
Okay, so we just finished with the sharpening with the grits stones, and we're going to take it out now. So come look and we'll see how sharp it is. As you can see, it's very sharp. Let's try it with a piece of paper.
Yes. Found one. Sheesh.
And that's more than one piece of paper. That's like 4 on a single piece.
Okay. Ah.
Wow. Okay, so now that it's sharpened, we want to eventually polish all this up, so don't see the scratches and stuff, and then finish over here, and it should be good.
And then oil the wood and varnish. Okay, it's gonna take way too long, so we're gonna skip this bad boy.
Okay, so now we're busy gonna grind off the edges, or like round off the edges. As you can see over here, I've started with the sandpaper. I'm gonna carry on going around until it's nice and smooth in the hand.
Cool.
Okay, so we just got done with the sanding of the blade, so it looks a bit decent and like feels nice in your hand. Now all you have to do is eventually oil the blade.
The handle.
Or oil the handle, yeah, and then we're gonna resharpen the blade because it looks a bit dull on one side. This side you can't really see it that much. So we're gonna resharpen it, and then we should be good. Okay, so the handle is pretty much done now. I'll oil it in my own time, like it's all sharp and everything now. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
And if you didn't see the last video, it'll be up here.
Somewhere
If you wanna subscribe, it'll be right here.
down here as well.
So yeah, thanks for watching.
Sugar,